There are several ways to get alerted when your tasks are due in Apple Reminders. The most obvious way is using a deadline date and time. When you create your to-do, you can add a date for it. You can also choose a time. Since this is a deadline for when your task is due, you might want to use an early reminder before the deadline. It can be as early as a month before or just 5 minutes before it. You can also choose a custom option to get reminded within minutes, hours, days, weeks, or months. Any number you like. I would like to be reminded of this a day before. So that's what I'm going to set. For tasks you do frequently, you can choose to repeat them. Apple Reminder supports from as frequent as hourly repeats. I do this every month on the 28th, so that's what I'm going to set. You can then decide when this repeat ends, so it automatically stops repeating on that date. Mine is going to run for at least a year, and that concludes this simple date-based reminder in Apple Reminders.